back to my channel. So today I'm doing my first Christmas DIY of the year. Yes, I waited till November because I told you I was going to. I've seen so many Christmas DIYs out within the last few weeks, and now I feel like I'm super behind. So you are gonna just watch me get going on all these awesome Christmas DIYs. So let's get started. Okay, so for these, you're just going to need these floral foam. They look like little trees. I purchased these at the Dollar Tree this year, and then I am just going to take my hot glue gun and then just start wrapping the twine around the bottom, and then yes, that was hair. That was hair I just got out of there. I have my hair all over all of my crafts, but anyways, I'm just going to start at the bottom and then wrap all the twine all the way around to the top. This was super easy, and these were super fast to do, and then if there was any little cracks and stuff that I missed, I just went back over, but I didn't make this super perfect and up and down. I kind of just zigzagged it every which way. You guys have probably seen me do vases like this, but I just think it gives it more texture, and I just really like these a lot better.
Meant for each other, staring in her dark green eyes, I want to love.
And then once I got to the top, I just took a bunch of hot glue and just put it all over the top of the little tree, and then I just started wrapping the twine in circular motion, covering all of the foam. And that is it for these little twine trees. These were so easy to make, and I ended up making 2 of them because they were that easy to make. And then now I also bought one of these from Walmart. This is a little bit bigger. I'm not sure on the size because I already threw everything away. But I'm just going to make this into a ribbon tree. I seen something like this at, it's kind of like a Macy's. And I thought that I would try to recreate this. I don't have a picture or anything, but they just had ribbon and tons of other stuff. I didn't make it even kind of close to how it was supposed to look, but anyway, so I just kind of did my own thing, but I'm just cutting a bunch of this burlap, and then I'm going to just cut a bunch of ribbon, and then I am just going to fold these in half. I cut them almost in 4-inch strips. They're not perfect, but it was okay because once I started folding them, you couldn't even tell, and then I was just going to start making them in rows, so I did every other. I did burlap and then ribbon, burlap, ribbon, and like I said, I just folded them in half and then hot glued them. Yes, I burnt myself a million times, but it was so worth it in the end. I was so happy with how this turned out. And I started just cutting the ribbon and the burlap a little bit at a time, and then I realized that was taking me far too long to do. So I just started doing the whole roll. I used almost a roll of burlap and almost a whole roll of this ribbon. So this was so inexpensive to make. So to make all 3 of these trees, it only cost about $8 to make. So I was so excited about that. So yeah, so I'm just going to do the same thing around every single side, and then I did end up having some gaps I had to fill in, which wasn't a big deal because I just started redoing this pattern, and it ended up turning out so cool.
Scared if I should roll the dice and go with the flow. And I wonder if you ever think of me, and if you want to drink another coffee, I find out
Alright everyone, that is it for my video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching me make these little twine trees and this little ribbon tree. I was so excited. I love how rustic this looks, and I cannot wait to start decorating for Christmas, but that will not be happening until after Thanksgiving. But if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. And you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!